fake. I got something I want to say right now.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm here listening to my new Tecsun H-501X. It's about 5:22 in the afternoon here in Clearwater, Florida, and I'm listening to WRMI on 5.950, and I was listening to it about a half an hour ago in background. It's just where I left the radio playing, and I heard a very interesting show. So I thought, let me find out what that is. They did mention the name of the show and the station it was being broadcast on, which is WRMI, which is in Florida, Okeechobee, Florida. There's the station right there. And so I went here and I select programming, and right here you can click on the schedules, of which there are many. There's various transmitters, like 10 transmitters. Oh my gosh. So then you have to come down for the details down here. And so I was looking for, they said the name of the program was Wave Scan. And there it is right there. That's not the one I was listening to. It appears several times, of course. And I thought that this station mostly broadcasts nowadays ministry stuff. But here's this one, which was technical information about radios. Here's Radio Australian DX report. Here's another DX report. Here's Circuit Rider. There's a lot of things here I didn't even know about. And then you can go down to, here's another schedule for another transmitter. Here's the wave scan again. And it goes on and on and on. So I went back, and I selected down here information about some of our programs. And so I was looking for that program, Wave Scan, that I just heard. It was very technical about radios, and I found this one. Here's Glenn's World of Radio. So he broadcast on this station, at this station. So I'm going to have to check that out. So I kept looking. There's the lab. There's another technical. There it is, Wave Scan. Half-hour DX program by Dr. Adrian Peterson in Indianapolis and produced in the studios of WRMI in Florida, Okeechobee, Florida. So I went up here. I haven't done this in years. I did a reception report, and it was so easy. You just fill this stuff out, and you tell it to submit, and I'm going to see if I get a email with a QSL card. Maybe I'll do this some more. So check out this station, WRMI. They're all over the band. All over the band. Let's see. Let me go back here. Programming. Click on here, transmission. Here's the frequencies. There's the one. That's the one I was listening to. 5950, transmitter 8. So I'll come down to transmitter 8, which is what schedule? What schedule is transmitter 8? Oh, I don't know. What did I miss up here? I missed something up here. Well, anyway, transmitter 8 at, this is in UTC maybe? Nope. See, it says Overcomer Ministry, and that's not what was on. Transmitter 8. And they got system A, B, and C. Did it say system up here? No? So how do you connect the two? So anyway, I would have to go through all these schedules because I can't quite figure out which one I want. Anyway, check it out. WRMI here in Florida. Of course, this is coming out of Okeechobee, so I'm not that far away. So, and you were listening to it when I first started this show. So it's booming in right now at about 5:28. Turn it up for a second.
It's been 33 years have gone by since he made that prediction that never happened. A lot of people forgot that. Even Hal Lindsey's.
That's on the new Tecsun H-501X using my G5 RV antenna. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.